Hello and congratulations on your new Protex safe. My name is Monique and I'm going to show you how to operate your DRW23, the SHE 1108, and the PWS 1814E, which are all equipped with the same type of lock. After unpacking your safe, make sure you set it on a flat surface so that you can comfortably learn how to operate your safe properly. Next, locate the red accessories box. This came inside the packing foam, and set it aside. Earlier, we had set aside the red accessories box. Open this box and you'll find the battery override. You're going to slide batteries inside of here and close it shut. Next, connect the battery override to the front of the keypad of your safe. Now you're ready to open the safe. The factory default code is 1234, and your safe will automatically open. Disconnect the battery override and then locate the battery box inside the safe, which is right here. You can take the batteries out of this battery override and go ahead and put them inside your safe. Now when you're ready to lock the safe, you're going to hold it closed and press pound. The LED will display closed, and now your safe is locked. Now let me show you how to change your code. First, the safe needs to be open. And choose your new code and hold it shut. I'm going to choose 4321 and then hit pound. The LED display will say closed and will show your new code briefly. Now let's check it and make sure it opens. And it works properly. Now it's time to show you how to use your emergency keys. The emergency keys were located inside the red accessories box. What you want to remember is to never place the keys inside the safe. Always keep them in another location. And also, the emergency keys are only to be used when you forget your code completely. Now let me show you how to use them. First, unscrew the cap of the keyhole cover and set it aside. Then you'll notice that the key has a dimple. Turn that down at a 4 o'clock angle. It will slide right inside the lock. Turn the key counterclockwise and the safe will open. And immediately turn it and take it out. Now let's change the master code. First, the safe needs to be open. Next, you need to enter the existing master code, which is 888888. And press pound. Enter the new code, for example, 654321, and press pound, and then repeat. And press pound. It says done, and the safe has accepted my new master code. Now let's show you what happens when your safe has a low battery. First, go ahead and open your safe. And then you'll see that the LED displayed low battery. Now is a good time to replace your batteries with Duracells or Energizers. Your safe comes with a lockout feature. If you enter your code wrong 3 times consecutively, it will lock you out for 15 minutes. This is a feature designed to keep anyone from manipulating your code by using random numbers. And as you can see, you have to wait for 15 minutes. Your safe comes with a hidden code display function. You can hide your personal code so it will not show on your LED display. This is a great feature just in case someone is standing behind you. So to do so, press the star key 2 times and then pound. Now you can enter your code on the display and it will only show squares. And to change it back, repeat the process with star, star, pound.